Breaking news on the coronavirus, the first reported death in the United States, and new travel restrictions just announced by the White House. Good evening, I'm Jessica Moore. We begin tonight with that breaking news on the outbreak. Washington State has declared a state of emergency after reporting the first person in the U.S. to die of coronavirus. This afternoon, Vice President Mike Pence announced new travel restrictions to Iran, Italy, and South Korea. This all comes as the FDA just approved testing for the virus in New York State. CBS 2's Christina Fan joins us now with a lot more on today's developments. Christina.
Well, Jessica, we have learned from officials that the first coronavirus death was a man in his 50s with underlying health conditions. There are now 22 U.S. cases, and the president says more are likely.
Hours after the coronavirus claimed its first American life, the White House authorized sweeping new travel restrictions and warnings.
There's no reason to panic at all. This is something that is being handled professionally.
Among the new edicts, an expanded ban on travel from Iran. Americans also urged not to travel to areas in Italy and South Korea most affected by the virus. The president also floating the possibility of closing the southern border.
Additional cases in the United States are likely, but healthy individuals should be able to fully recover.
The assurance came as Washington State declared a state of emergency Saturday following a rise in new cases and the nation's first death. Officials say the man was medically high risk and in his late 50s. 4
others are very ill. Thankfully, 15 are either recovered fully or they're well on their way to recovery.
Meanwhile, in New York, a small victory. The CDC granting permission to the state to run its own tests for the coronavirus, cutting down on wait time.
It'll take a burden off the CDC, and it will get us answers faster.
So far, there are still no confirmed cases in our area. The latest suspected patient in New York City tested negative. Results are still pending for another patient at Bayshore Medical Center in Monmouth County, New Jersey.
And just a few moments ago, we found out that suspected case in New Jersey also came back negative. Meanwhile, President Trump announced that he will be meeting with pharmaceutical companies at the White House on Monday to discuss the development of a coronavirus vaccine. Jessica.
All right. Thanks so much, Christina.